Hey everyone, it's Tracey here from Home Office, and today I'm going to show you how you make this layout. And the tools that you will need are the Border Maker system, but this time you only need the cartridge. So we're going to use the Border Maker cartridge as a punch. So this is the layout that I've done here, and all you need to create these mats, these decorative mats, is a 4-inch square. So let me show you how it's done. When we line it up, we're just going to line it up in the middle so we can see a little bit of space, a little bit of cardstock at either end, and push. And then the next time when we do it, the edge will actually line up with that piece there that we've just cut out. So I'm just going to go around and keep working my way around till I've done all 4 sides. In this instance, the middle piece pops out, but depending on what cartridge you use, sometimes the piece is left in the middle. And not all cartridges will work. Some, the shape is totally taken away. That's when we're left with a 12-inch strip. So that's my shape there, and you can see that's the same shape there, and all I've done is place the photo on top and likewise there. So you can have lots of fun with this, using your Border Maker cartridges like this. There's some that I've punched out earlier just so you can see the patterns that they make. You can use these for journal box mats, turn them into a card. In here I could put, you know, if it was a 21st, I could put 2-1. I could really go way out and decorate with flowers, pop things in the corner. And I did make one before. Now this is using the picket fence, so it's really nice to thread some scraps through there. This will be an Easter card, so it would look cute with a little Easter bunny in there and maybe some eggs scattered in the corner. So that's all you need to do for that idea. A 4-inch square, and then just use your Border Maker system as a punch.